FPS community lets you further control the already built-in search engine optimization, or SEO, features within the platform. The settings on this page let you further control those features, but there's a lot of things already built in that you don't really need to do anything. And even if you leave all these things as is, those great features will already be there. Just going to the list real quick. The first one, log all search engine visits. This is something that unless you have a specific need to log all the visits, like you're really into SEO and want to know every search engine visit that came in, generally we recommend you leave this off because simply because your database can get very large if you leave this on, especially on a busy site with lots of search engine activity. There's no real harm to it other than over time that table could get a little bit unwieldy to deal with. The second one, show search engines in the active user list. That is simply in the active user list where it shows all your other members. You'll see Google, Yahoo, Facebook, etc. as a user online. This is purely a preference thing. Some people like to see search engines on their site. Other people don't because it makes their members nervous thinking that the search engines are spying on them. This is purely a preference here. The friendly URL features, basically instead of show topic equal 1, 2, 3, the friendly URLs show a slightly modified version of the actual topic title or blog title or any other content in the URL, which is a little more human friendly and search engine friendly to show. And what this first setting means is if someone were to use the old format, maybe because you recently upgraded and some people had linked to an old style link, this setting would redirect them to the new style link. And it would also send the proper header to a search engine to tell the search engine that the content had moved to the new location. The URL type path info or query string. Usually you'd want to use path info if your server supports it, and most servers do. And what that means is instead of question mark and a bunch of variables after, it'll just say slash and then the topic name. It doesn't functionally make any difference, but the whole point of this section is to make the URLs more friendly, more readable, and path info is just more readable. And also in some circumstances, a search engine will treat a query string differently. So in general, we do recommend path info here. Next thing is htaccess mod rewrite. Now, if you are technically capable and if your server supports it, we do highly recommend you use this feature. Because what this does is it removes the index.php from the URL and just on the whole makes the whole presentation of your community much cleaner, both to search engines and to people. So instead of slash index.php question mark show topic equal 1, 2, 3, you'll just have slash topic slash the ID and so on. It's just a lot cleaner approach. So we do recommend, and further down in this article there will be more technical information on how you do that. And the final three are just some additional things that you can do for SEO if you're so inclined. These are kind of things that you can fill out or not. It doesn't make a whole lot of difference to the overall functionality of the software. The first one just lets you override the name of the home page. So instead of just saying the name of your community, you can put some other information here if you so too. And the next two are just meta descriptions and keywords that we put into the headers on the pages other than just the default information.